Good morning. Today is November 5th. It's 3:40 p.m. Here with Nick at a secret spot, secret restaurant. It's called. Nobody's gonna see this. It's called Cafe Hollywood. It's to the left of the dorms. I got chicken curry. I want everything.
You want everything?
Yeah. I want all of it. I got chicken curry, and then I got an egg on the side for extra protein. Yeah. Thank you. Oh guys, we're watching Hereditary now with Matt, Teresa. Teresa's back from Japan, and she brought home so many snacks. I forgot to show because my camera was away, but you can also be Koreans or Koreans? No, we just get anyway. Man, you leave it. Anyways, Teresa's back from Japan. We're watching Hereditary. Okay, goodbye. Hi guys, good morning. It's November 6th. I'm here with Curtis and Maddie. We're eating at the place right across from E-Mart. I got dumplings from this place, and then I got sundubu from that place. It's so big though. I thought it was gonna be a lot smaller, like for reference. Hello guys, I'm back in my room. Currently trying to figure out my courses for the spring semester. I'm listening to Christmas music. Also, I got a new drink. This one's coconut. Let's try it on camera. I'm also like so stuffy right now. So stuffy in the room. I didn't really feel like standing anywhere else today. I'm kind of lazy. But yeah, I'm like congested. I'm not sick, but I'm just like congested, and I think it's kind of dusty in the dorms. But anyways, let's give it a try. It tastes like Milkis. It's kind of weird, but it's not bubbly. I like it though. It doesn't taste that coconutty, which is slightly disappointing, but I do like it. It's like Milkis with coconut jelly. That's the best way I can describe it. Also, I lost my water bottle for the second time. The first time Jessica found it for me in E-Mart because I left it there. But then, I don't know where I left it, like yesterday, because me, Matt, and Jasmine left the lounge because Matt was going to get kicked out at 12. So we left to go find another place to finish Hereditary. So we went like outside. It was a vibe. It was a vibe minus the mosquitoes. But anyways, I brought my water bottle there, but then I'm pretty sure I brought it back with me because I checked earlier today where we watched the movie, and it wasn't there. So maybe like janitors took it or something. I don't know. But now I'm sad. Anyways, that's all for now. I'm just doing work and trying to figure out my classes for when I go back home. Hello. I'm now at CU. I got a snack at Paris Spaghetti. This is like cheese bread. I wanted to try it. It looks yummy. And then I wanted something savory, so I got the veggie croquette. And I have my new like little hood hat on.
What the fuck?
Yay! It's getting so cold. This is so like comfy, and it's keeping my ears warm. Hello guys. Today is November 7th. Oh my god, it's so cold today. I had my first class by 9 a.m. I'm super tired. I was like falling asleep. But we had like a guest speaker today, or not a speaker, a guest musician, and he was playing the traditional like Korean instrument. I forget what it's called, but insert video here. And then I ate with Jessica and Dave at the corner place right underneath the bakery. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. It is outside. Oh, it's so cold and like my hand hurts. I need to put this away. Anyways, I ate, and then what did I do after that? I forgot to vlog because I thought I left my camera in my room, but it turns out it was in my bag the whole time. So this is an update. But after that, I think I just went back to my room and I took a nap and then I woke up and I had a group meeting for my presentation for my nutrition class. I just had that. It went well. And now I'm heading back to the dorms. I'm super cold. I think I'm gonna get dinner later with my friends. See you there. Say hi to the vlog.
If you're gonna fall, like you need to like land in a tree and just land legs first, so you break both legs.
You aiming for a tree, my boy. You falling.
No, but like if you're gonna start,
I'll give it a second. Alright guys, now Holly's with the girls. I look like an egg right now.
And like a nice area.
I was at a cafe. I ran into Nick, so we went to a cafe.
If we're not gonna explore, you can
It's like chocolate. It's called Chocolate Blossom. It's cute. Very chocolatey though. Very sweet. You need like some milk. Anyways, here at Holly's with the girls, we're trying to discuss our Japan/Taiwan plans. Very stressful.
No, exactly. But from it's like 9 hours travel time. Like if it was a Thailand, I'd have to like I don't know.
Hi guys, we're in Emart. We are playing games. We're playing code names on our phone.
Like there's a word at the top.
I've never played it before, but Teresa has shown us how to play it.
You have to describe that word without writing that. I'm the spy master, so the list below.
We got Maddie and Matt. We got Maddie and Maddie Rue. We got Jasmine. Oh, I just did my course registration, so now I don't have to worry about that. Yay. And I'm also simultaneously looking for apartments when I go back to school. I'm gonna be like homeless.
Just kidding. No.
Okay. No. No, thanks, Maddie. Guys, this is my hint, and this is the thing that they need. Except they're considering that. But it's this, so obviously this.
It was not. It was not.
But what if?
Because I knew it was duck. I was like.
Do you guys get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey guys, we're still playing the game. Me, Jasmine, and Wen has joined us versus Teresa and Matt. We got mochi, and I bought Matt a kimbap. Yes, you're so welcome. Say hi, Wenny Woo. Hello, good morning guys. Today is November 8th. I'm currently on a Zoom right now. We're mobilizing it because this is my online class. I'm here with George, Jessica, Teresa, and Jasmine, and we're gonna get dumplings for lunch. Say hi to the vlog. Hello, hi vlog.
Hello vlog.
Hello vlog.
Make sure to like and subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated
Oh my
with
god.
all of Lisa's latest uploads.
Thanks.
George, I enjoyed watching your TikToks.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I'm pretty great on
Plug the TikTok. Go ahead, what is
negatory,
it?
Negatory.
Okay, we decided to get dumplings, but Jasmine, Teresa, and George went to leave because this wasn't enough food. Also, Alan is here. Say hi. We're showing Alan our secret spot. You don't like it? You like it. Why? Isn't it so fun?
It's so fast. I don't like it. Take it off. Take it off. I don't like it. I want to go class.
He doesn't like it. Wait, try this one. Try this one over here. Because it's so fun. We want you to experience the fun. No, you like it.
It's like making my body feel weird. I don't like it. It's so weird.
No, it's so fun. Oh, how did you know that?
어머님이 같으신 거 아니죠?
Okay, so we're watching this guy play against volunteers who are willing to challenge him.
이렇게 끝났습니다.
Maddie is hard at work. I did some shopping today. I'll give you a quick little haul. Actually, I'm gonna do that when I get back home because my camera is gonna die. Anyways, we did work here at this cute little cafe that Jessica showed me at the top of Uplex on the 12th floor. There's lots of spaces. There's like a stationery store over there. You can get a whole view of Sinchon. You like it, Alan? So happy.
All you can eat.
Woo!
It's so good.
Do you like it? You just eat the creamy one. What?
I'm not a fan.
It's not the same? Oh, I'm sorry. Do you like this?
I don't know.
My brother really likes them.
It looks so familiar though.
Yeah, rock candy. They always have those like in amusement parks and stuff.
Like museums. Does it pop?
No, it doesn't pop. Hi guys, we're now in the computer lounge. We got everybody here. We're planning our trip. It's been stressful, but I think we're getting places, so. Got Maddie Rue, TT, Jasmine, Jessica, Curtis, and Maddie.